Oh, brossies, we have a problem here today. The brake light is actually on while the engine is off. So let's have a look. Okay, what's happening? Ooh, oh, we gotta look. Okay, so we're going to check underneath and find out. Let's move this. Let's move this one. Okay, that's it. That's the maximum you can move. Now let's have a look underneath. Okay, I fixed this problem before with other cars. So now we need to look. Look, as you can see, this one. Look at that. See, something fell here. That's why it's doing that. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. So we need something like this. So we're going to look for it. Okay. Okay, let's go in to look for something similar. Okay. All right. Let's look for that. Okay. Maybe something in here. Okay, just give me a sec. There you go. See that one? See that? That's the problem. That's the problem. There. There's the problem. There's the problem. See, this one's come off. See there? That's one come off. This one here. This one is gone. See? There's nothing there. Where is it? This one's gone. There's nothing there, as you can see. Look at that. See? Okay, so we need to put something in there. Okay. Okay. Let me just take a picture with that one. I found this in here. One of this. So where is that? Somewhere here. Okay. So now we're gonna try and put this one underneath so that the brake light will stop. Okay, mga brosis. Whew. Hirap mag YouTube.
Say what?
Okay. Ayan, nilagyan na natin. See? There. Yan. Yan o. Yan o. Yan. O yan. Yan, meron na siya. Oh, you can see. Meron na siya. Yan o. Yan. Okay. Yan. Right. So, hindi na siya butas. Okay. Meron na siya. Okay. Ay, nako. Okay, mga bruises. Now we're gonna try and turn it off. Let's see if there's still lights at the back. See? Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Okay. So that's the problem. Something broke. Look at that. Something broke it. Where did it go? This one. This one broke it. This one. Where's the other one? The other stuff one. Anyway. Okay, so that's the one that's broken. Oh. Oh. Okay. Thank you. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?